Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super timely topic: how to transfer Bitcoin from Robinhood to Bitmart in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, knowing how to move your assets securely is a game changer. Whether you're looking to diversify your investments or switch platforms for better features, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Robinhood and Bitmart. Double-check that your Bitcoin is available on Robinhood and that your Bitmart account is verified. Most platforms require this for withdrawals and deposits to keep things safe. Now, let's get into the action. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to the Crypto section. Select your Bitcoin holdings and look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This is where you'll initiate the process. Before you proceed, you'll need your Bitmart wallet address. Jump over to Bitmart, log in, and go to your wallet. Find the deposit option for Bitcoin, and copy the unique wallet address provided. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip: always verify this address to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Back on Robinhood, paste the Bitmart address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember to account for any network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Once everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so review it carefully. After that, sit back and wait. Transfers typically take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, depending on the Bitcoin network. Keep an eye on your Bitmart account to track the incoming transaction. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, check both platforms' support pages or community forums for updates. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now on Bitmart, ready for trading or staking. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.